Hi everyone, this is the ACC Automation 2023 review. Over the past year, ACC Automation has continued to provide valuable content on PLC learning and industrial control. In 2023, the focus continued with PLC learning with minimal investment. Each year, we like to reflect on the past, present, and future of ACC Automation. The site has been built with the help of its audience, and the content has been aimed to provide knowledge and insights into production data and control. Thank you. The YouTube channel and website both emphasize learning industrial control and providing different media for this learning. The past year has seen a continued commitment to providing relevant and informative content in industrial automation control. Thank you again for your continued support of ACC Automation. We look forward to the new year and new possibilities for implementing your control solution. Detailed information contained in this video can be found at accautomation.ca. A link has been put in the description below. The website offers extensive links, reference, and coding examples, making it a one-stop shop for all your automation queries. accautomation.ca. Over the past 12 months, ACC Automation has covered some of the following detailed topics. PLC programming example, pneumatic synchronization. This article covered the programming of pneumatic cylinders in sequence, including defining the task, inputs and outputs, and actual PLC program logic. Pneumatic synchronization with advanced programmable logic controller PLC programming solutions offers a reliable and efficient way for discrete parts manufacturers to control their production lines. By connecting compressed air cylinders to the PLC through a timing mechanism, the system can be easily programmed to repeat machine motions or cyclic operations accurately and consistently. This is especially valuable for manufacturers who require precise gestures and repetition movements during part fabrication. With all these benefits combined, PLC pneumatic syncing program will significantly reduce production costs while improving overall product quality and automation applications. The 5 steps for PLC program development were followed and showed you how to utilize this pneumatic synchronization. Easy PLC pneumatic synchronization machine was connected to the DoMore Designer PLC simulator using Modbus TCP or Ethernet. Assembly of boxes was done from 2 conveyor input lines. The process then completed the box on the output conveyor line. PLC programming for beginners, 17 common questions answered. This piece addressed various fundamental aspects of PLC programming, such as what is a PLC, types of PLCs, ladder logic, and basic components of a PLC system. PLC programming for beginners can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right resources, anyone can get up and running quickly. We covered the 17 most frequently asked questions. This is a great place to start for anyone learning about PLC programming. Through thorough explanations of key concepts and answers to many of these most common questions about PLC programming, this ACC Automation resource should give you the information you need to take to your first steps into PLC programming. We discussed the common questions for PLC programming using several different manufacturers of PLC hardware and software. Ultimately, you will see my recommendation for a beginner in learning industrial automation. Again, over the past year, we have covered various topics related to PLC programming. IoT Industry 4.0, including communication between Productivity 2000 PLC and Node-RED. We examined communication between the Productivity 2000 PLC, Modbus TCP server, and Node-RED, Modbus TCP client. Node-RED is a powerful, adaptable HMI SCADA, which means Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition development package that uses flow programming. Minimum coding is required. You can see the program flow visually. The best thing is that the software is free. We looked at using Node-RED with the Productivity 2000 series PLC. Node-RED was used to create a single Modbus flow. We communicated to our XY-MDO2 temperature and humidity sensor using Modbus RTU on a serial RS-485 network. The present value of the sensor was red. These values were written to a Productivity 2000 PLC using an Ethernet Modbus TCP network. These temperature and humidity readings were then displayed on the P2000 CPU. These topics provided a good overview of the areas covered by ACC Automation in the past year, focusing on PLC programming, beginner's guides, and relative industrial automation concepts. We are currently covering the Arduino Opta IoT PLC. Arduino, the leading open-source electronics platform, has launched a new piece of hardware called the Arduino Opta IoT PLC. This device has been designed to enable the development of advanced industrial automation solutions, making it a game-changer in the world of IoT and Industry 4.0. We are currently going through the different programming languages used on this controller. IoT Industry 4.0 is a hot topic in industrial automation. Industry 4.0 builds on the digital revolution brought by Industry 3.0, which introduced computers like PLCs to the manufacturing floor and took us to the next level of technological advancement. The Internet of Things IoT protocol and unified namespace are essential components of Industry 4.0. IoT enables physical device and systems to collect and exchange data, while a unified namespace ensures seamless communication and information sharing within manufacturing environments. Industry 4.0 can be complex to understand, but it also presents new business opportunities. By embracing digital transformation and adopting IoT protocols, companies can leverage data and drive innovation and gain a competitive edge in the market. ACC Automation is here to help. 2024 for ACC Automation will prove to be an exciting time. We will continue with our current series with additional examples of this 3D simulation of the process. This will be done using the physical PLC hardware and a machine simulator from Easy PLC. Further Node-RED IoT flow programming and implementation examples will be demonstrated. This will include further discussion on unified namespace, IoT protocol, etc. As always, we will answer your questions and applications so you can quickly implement your control solution. Accelerate learning, accelerate machines, accelerate knowledge. ACC Automation. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you have any questions about the video, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you want more information about us or you want our free ebooks on numbering systems or robust data logging, please click on the link in the description below to get it. A new video is put every Monday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this in the future. Remember to click the bell beside your subscription to actually receive those notifications. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.